Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Many of you have asked a question that which one DAX function should we learn? If you are a beginner, then which all concepts you have to learn under DAX in Power BI. So this video is for you because I'm going to tell you about the 10 DAX function that you should learn. So the number one is the basic functions. Basic function means you have to learn about the foundation of DAX, that how exactly data analysis expression has to be written. You have to learn those syntax, you have to learn the tricks and tips about how to write it down, that which one should come up first. Suppose you are writing the function, so the syntax will go like you will write the function, then the column name, then the values that you are looking for. So you have to learn about the foundation. The number one is you have to learn about the calculate function. So calculate is a kind of a versatile function, we can say, which will help you to create calculation with the filters. So that's a very important function that you should learn. The third one is the filter. Filter is used to apply conditions to the data before performing any calculation. So you have to make sure that you apply filters to each and everything, because this will make your graphs, this will make your dashboards dynamic. The number four is count and count rows. Count and count rows are very important, because these two functions are the fundamental for counting the rows in the table, because there is nothing to count the rows, you can just select the rows, but these functions like count and count rows will help you do that. The fifth one is related and related table. Related and related table are also important because they are used to create or establish relationship, we can say, from the table. Another one is the switch function. Switch is used to create conditional logic. Just like in programming we have if else statements, same way we have switch in this case. In switch you can write down your conditional statement which is similar to if, then, else, etc. Then we have X function. X function means row level calculation if you wanted to do. Suppose you want first row, second row, third row to have some calculation, then in that case you can go with the X function. X will help you to go row level to execute something or to calculate something. Then we have eighth number of function, which is the time intelligence function. Time intelligence function is very useful. Why I say that? Because every time when you're working with the data sets, you have to work on times and date. You will find every time one column with a date or one column with a time, or maybe the combination of both. So time intelligence functions are very crucial for this. Another is the if function. If will help you to write the conditional logic exactly, that whatever logic you wanted to apply onto the table, you have to write it with the if function. So if function is important. Then you have to also learn about the top n, because every time in interviews also they will ask you about the top, highest, lowest, these kind of questions. So top n function will return the specified number of rows based on the specified column. So this is how you have to cover your DAX journey. And also these are the basic things that you should every time, like if you are learning Power BI, don't forget to learn these functions, because these questions are very frequent and will be asked in the interviews as well. So make sure you practice all of them. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.